What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video, guys, it's all about this crypto here called AMP, which has taken a slight dip in the last 24 hours. As you can see, it is down just about 3% in the last 24 hours, making it 0.004788 cents. So is it time to buy the dip? Is it time to hold on to it? Should you sell it? Where is it heading to next? Covering both buyers and sellers' point of view and looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022. How far can it go? And is it a crypto worth investing into, especially going into 2023, which is just around the corner? Is AMP a must-have crypto in your wallet? And also, most cryptos are down. As you can see, Bitcoin, Ethereum, they've all taken a slight dip. And if you are part of my Telegram group chat, yesterday I did warn you guys, when it did pump about 7-8%, I did tell you guys do expect it to drop back down in value over the coming days, and that is exactly what's taking place. And the market is down just about 4% down. So before I go any further, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are on the Coinbase website right now. In the last hour itself, we can see AMP has gained just about 0.5%. Over the last day, 3% down. Over the week, 4% down, even though it has been very volatile up and down. As you can see, it's been all over the place. And over the month, it is an overall 25% down. So a quarter of its value has been wiped off in a single month, which is not looking too great. And yes, we did see a major pump here about, let's say, 2 weeks ago, nearly gaining about 37%, hitting nearly the 1 cent target, but straight after that it's taken a much of a dip here. Now when it was pumping, I did make a video and I did warn you guys it's not going to last that long. It's very likely it's going to drop straight back down, and what happened, that is exactly what's taking place right now. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. As you can see, the Fibonacci scale, but right now I'm going to bring out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction. And also, guys, going into the CoinMarketCap website, we can see the trading volume has also gone up by 23% in the last 24 hours, making it $5.8 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on AMP. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading the crypto. As you can see, 83% buy against 17% sell. So there is a lot of money currently being invested into AMP. So at the top here, we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of AMP, which is here in purple. However, the actual value of AMP, which is trading at the moment, is here in red. It is slightly lower than the SMA indicator, meaning it is not performing too well and lower than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, just a little disclaimer as usual, guys. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we can see here the blue line and the orange line are both looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction, meaning very minimal gains in value are expected over the coming 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I'm expecting an overall increase in value on AMP, but it is going to be very minimal, guys. Nothing too crazy. Don't expect a major pump or a major bull run or anything like that. Potentially heading to about 0.00492 to 0.005 is what I'm expecting over the next couple of hours. But again, that doesn't mean we're going to be consistently see AMP gaining value, hitting green candles. Of course not. We are going to have red candles, we are going to have green candles up and down, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side rather than the negative side. Now moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? We are seeing blue and orange line both looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction, meaning more gains in value may be expected from AMP over the coming days. So I'm talking about by mid next week, we should expect an overall increase in value on AMP. However, do expect red days, guys, when it's going to drop in value, gain value, hitting green candles and red candles up and down. But the overall outcome seems to slightly be more on the positive side, meaning very minimal gains in value are expected overall over the next 7 to 8 days. Now Moving on to the daily chart, what can we see here? The blue line and the orange line are still looking bullish, still going in a positive direction, but they are not looking too steep. They are just about slanting towards the positive direction, meaning very minimal gains in value are again expected over the coming weeks. However, I'm not expecting any major gains, guys. As you can see, it's been dropping in value quite consistently since about late 2021. So for about 6-7 months straight now, it's been dropping in value, and I'm expecting it to keep dropping in value over the coming months as well. But hopefully towards the end of the year, this year or early next year, we should be able to see a U-turn, AMP going in a positive direction. Hopefully, guys, with major projects that they've got going on, which I'm not going to announce anytime soon. Obviously, they have to make it official. I don't want to clickbait my videos or whatever. I want them to make it official, and then I'll speak about it. But yeah, so far, I'm not expecting it to pump anytime soon. More or less, it is going to be moving in a negative direction over the next couple of weeks and months as well. But yeah, hopefully we should be able to see some gains over, to keep safe, let's say in 2023. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. But even when it comes to this Fibonacci scale, there isn't much we can do. The only reason for that is, as you guys can clearly see, we are trading in the lowest part of the red zone, which is not looking too great. And for us to hit the green zone, we're going to have to hit at least 3 cents in target, which we are not even close to. We're going to have to go for about a 700 to 800% increase for us to do that, which I'm not expecting from AMP anytime soon. So more or less, very likely we are going to be trading in the red zone for most of this year and potentially most of next year as well, depending on how the crypto market performs as well. Obviously, if we see Bitcoin dropping down to 10-15k, we are going to see major drops, not just on AMP, but the whole crypto market in general. However, if Bitcoin decides to pump up to about 30, 35k, 40k, depending on how big the pump is, then we are going to see major increases in value again on the whole crypto market in general as well. So these are my takes and my predictions on AMP, guys. I've seen a lot of positive and negative comments around this crypto in my previous AMP video and in my DMs as well, saying it's going to hit the 1 cent target, it's going to hit 10 cents. Some people are even saying it's going to hit the $1 mark. Guys, let's be realistic here. It is way too far away from the $1 mark. It's going to have to go for a major increase in value, which potentially could take years to take place. So the $1 mark is out the range that I can hit at the moment. 1 cent, yes, that is doable. It's going to have to go through about 100% increase, which is realistic. But yeah, the 10 cents and the $1 mark is something that we can't speak about at the moment. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on AMP, guys. Let me know what your expectations and your predictions are. How high or how low do you guys think AMP will hit in 2022? Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me as I'm trying to hit the 100k subscriber target by the end of the year. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Not going to keep you guys here for any longer. I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.